Page 8, 5-finger fancy. Now we're going to use all 5 fingers because you know what these 5 the keys are on the piano. Any of those, you know what those are instantly. If I point to one, you know the name of the key instantly, right? Name of the key instantly. You don't have to stop and figure it out or nothing. It's important you drill yourself on the names of these keys. You also know the names of the notes in the music. These 5 notes, we need to know these instantly. Don't be writing them in the music. Memorize them. Just know what these are. Now we're using all 5 in the right hand. So let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble clef still, 4/4 time signature. I see half notes, quarter notes, and a whole note at the end. I don't always look at the kinds of notes and what's in it, but for now I'm going to for a while. And then it starts out with 3rd finger on the E. That's here, and that puts the hand here. So we're in that C position again. And then I play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Remember the technique. I'm just trying to, well, you're playing repeated notes. You have to come up. So you're lifting the weight and lowering it again on the same note. On the others, I'm transferring weight from note to note. Transfer, walk up, and then walk down. Because I can transfer weight from any finger to any finger very quickly. It works well once you get used to it. It takes a little while to get used to it. So let's work on it now. I mean, you got nothing else to do, right? Okay. So you go through and get the notes and the rhythms, and then go back and make sure you play it all start to finish with no hesitations. Steady beat. Then when you're ready, come back to the video. Let's play it together slowly to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. You should play the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.